All right, so what I want to show you now, I've already done this much of it. The reason I'm showing you this little bit is because this is why we have these knives handy. It's just not a matter of sliding under here. I'm going to show you. So this is so tight to the floor, we can't get it under there. If I was to take a roller across this, it's going to bleed down in that little gap and it'll get on the floor. And as you can see, there's nothing on the floor. So that kind of cued me to stop, do a video real quick, and I want to show you exactly how we go about this. We're going to make these guys touch right here. No space, just like that. You see me move that one. So I am able to slide underneath this baseboard here, which is handy, but that's in the same boat. It's just too tight. So what I'm going to do is make these touch. And the trick of it is, this is where I'm going to use the brush first. And what you want to do is you want to put pressure on this just a little bit to keep him close to there. If he bumps out at all, you're going to get paint on that. So check it out. I'm going to get some of this off right here. And then I'm going to go down here just like I'm cutting. Right when I get to this next one, I'm going to take the pressure off this one and I'm going to apply it over here to this one. Then once I get over here, this baseboard is actually kicked out some. So I'm going to reverse this a little bit here. There we go. Just like that. Now, I have hardly nothing on this roller. I didn't even dip it here in this pan. I just got a little bit up here, right where the grades are there. Didn't even get in the paint because I obviously don't have that much to go. So now it's almost identical. I'm going to start up here. Get that to look kind of real pretty there. Go back over where I've already done, and you can see a difference from a cut to a roll. So now I'm going to take that roller and ride that guy. And then I'm going to put pressure on this one. There you go. Pull that one away. Pull this one away. Look, right there. Got just a hair. That's what I'm talking about. That's exactly where these were meeting. No problem, just like anything else. Let that dry. Take one of those little small screwdrivers, and here in about an hour or so, we'll scrape that little guy right up. But to get deathly tight down here, just cutting, I could have cut that really low. It's just a real awkward spot. I'm right-handed. Somebody left-handed would have had even a bigger challenge. Because this brick is sitting here, imagine being left-handed. You'd had to been upside down over here. You got to be close to this edge. You don't want to tag that brick because that paint will not come off that brick so easily. It'll come right off that floor, just a little minor spot, but that's how we go about getting these tight corners. Takes some time, but it's definitely worth it on the finish side. So hope this helps you at home, like always, and we'll see you back with the next one. Hey, hold on, don't go nowhere. 2 seconds. Look, I want to show you, just so you know I wasn't fooling you. Remember that right there? That spot was like right there. Right there. So we got that up off the floor. I used actually used the blade of a utility knife, just pulled the blade out. Once that was hardened, it just picked that right up. So till the next one, we'll see you back real soon.